you know what, I could work outside and learn new stuff about nature every day as a job.
With like complex ecosystems, like you kind of need to know a bit of everything and see how everything's interconnected and how everything interacts with each other.
I really don't have just a typical day. I come in every week and I'm like, I don't know what I'm going to be doing. This is 100% what I want to do.
A green job is anything that gets you outside. It can be anything from conservation and habitat restoration, forestry, to environmental education. There's a wide diversity of jobs out there. Everyone should have the opportunity to explore these jobs, including youth facing barriers and indigenous youth. Green jobs are rewarding. They're stable and they're full of adventure. We need to take action on climate change. We need to protect our environment. And we need to make sure young people have good jobs. And for the next generation of conservation leaders, there's opportunity in the forest.